Hi, it's Birdie. Here we are at Sam's Club, another Sam's Club perk, some gas savings. What's gas like in your area? Come shop with us at Sam's. We're after some easy between holiday meals. These are a new lower price. These are like the Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. All kinds of chicken doodads down there. Waffle fries to go with them. Not bad. I thought this season was over for these. This is a really good buy. Garden salad for $1.28. I'm looking for some Panera-style broccoli cheddar soup. A little bit of a price and quantity difference there. I heard these bars are good, but after further investigation, I think I'm going with these. Wanted to check this out for some loved ones. New Year's holiday meal finds. Are you team sauerkraut and pork, or what's your holiday tradition to bring in the new year? You could feed a crowd. Mashed potatoes, pork, and sauerkraut. Lots of butter. Here's a little bit of our grocery haul. Some Members Mark broccoli cheddar. I'm gonna try this out later for you and see how it is. Four-pack of kielbasa for some easy sheet pan meals. Sweet potatoes for more easy sheet pan meals, and because I don't eat enough orange vegetables. And I did choose the Kind bars over the Members Mark. I only need a little sweet, and the nuts are satisfying. I'll have to watch out for the peanut butter dark chocolate. More sugar and carbs, but Pappy will enjoy those. It's a little bit of a calorie difference. 4 pounds of waffle fries should last a while. Or we could feed a crowd in a pinch. Same with the chicken bites. I wanted to show you how many servings per bag and the calorie counts. Important to some and not to others. It'll make a nice Chick-fil-A knockoff meal. Just add some dipping sauces. I even scored a planner. Pretty cool. Little stickers. Ample room for my needs. Now let's go try out some of this food. I'm getting ready to try out this broccoli cheddar soup to see how it stacks up to the Panera kind. I'm even gonna measure it out. It's telling me there's 7 servings, so I have a little more than a cup there. I wanted to make sure it was a substantial serving, and I think it is for such a creamy, rich soup. I would serve it with crackers or maybe a bowl of homemade garlic bread in the middle of the table for everyone. I would say it would serve about 6 people. It's telling me 7 servings. I guess it would be possible to stretch it, but it would be a good in-between holiday or holiday treat. Lower cost than drive-through. Getting ready to make some waffle fries and chicken bites, like a Chick-fil-A knockoff type meal. And you ever have the issue where oven temp is so different, like the waffle fries being 425 and the chicken 375, and they only take, this says 12 to 16 minutes, and these only take about 20 minutes. But I think I'm going to do the fries in the oven and the chicken in the air fryer. As I'm waiting for the air fryer and oven to get done, I'm looking at this garden salad we got, and Pappy and I already had big salads out of this. So I'm using this to stretch our chicken. I'm gonna have sort of like a chicken salad. If you've heard of a Pittsburgh chicken or steak salad, you put the lettuce and then the meat, which is heated, and French fries, whatever other doodads you have, dressing. I have some cheese left over for making some things, a couple tomatoes left, dressing that we got for the holiday, Pappy's bacon bits, some olives. I even found some broccoli sprouts. So we're gonna make a nice big salad and stretch this meal. This container contains 11 servings, so you could really make this go far. There it is, 11. 15 calories. Helps cut down on them too. Our French fries are done. Looking pretty yummy. The chicken's done. Nice crisp, looks just like the nuggets you get. Here's our chicken salads. And I didn't put the waffle fries on because there's not a lot of room on the plate. There's a lot of lettuce on there. Another doodads. And there's Pappy's. They look pretty good. So easy. Something different.